So if you want to hide the PayPal payment option for the customers in high risk countries, then in this video I will show you the step-by-step guide how you can do it very easily. So before starting the video, if you are new here in this channel, then please hit the subscribe button for more valuable content. So let's begin. So for this I am using the Payfront application from the Shopify App Store. You can easily download it from here. Also I am giving the link in the description below. You can also check out. So after installing the app, go here, create payment rules. Then give a title like hide PayPal in high risk countries. Then add a new condition. Select the condition country operator in the list, and in the value put the state codes. Like I am putting IR for Israel, comma, and ES for Spain. Then add a new action. Select the action hide payment method, and the payment method name type PayPal. After that, active the status and save this. Now, if people want to purchase something from these two countries, Israel and Spain, then the PayPal option will be unavailable for them. So let's take it on the online store. If I select any product and click on buy it now, and if I choose any country from the list like Spain, and if I put any address, and if I choose any random address, then you can see the PayPal option is unavailable. But if I choose another country out of the list like India, then you can see the PayPal option is available. So in this way, you can do it very easily. If you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe. And if you have any question in your mind, then please let me know in the comment section. So that's for all today. I will see you in the next one. Bye.